Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna show you guys on how to basically factory reset an iPhone. So if you guys want to give it away and just give it all your data, start new, just like it's like a new iPhone. This is how you guys do it. So this is just for video, and this is basically what's gonna look like. So when you restore it and you open up your device or unlock it, you have to like set up just like it's a new iPhone. So you could like do English, and you want to set up your phone. So just like that, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So on this phone, so that's the old phone of mine, I'm trying to get rid of or sell. So I'm going to factory reset it, and yeah, I have a bunch of stuff on here. Like if I actually go to photos, you can see I have a lot of stuff. So let's see if I go to camera roll. Yeah, nothing too good, but 1,300 photos, 12 vid iCloud. So once you guys actually back it up, so once you guys actually back it up with iCloud, you guys see then can actually go over to your settings, and let's see, this is what I have for Cydia. This is iOS 10.3.3, iPhone 5C, that's the latest iOS version go to. So we have that, some Cydia alternatives. I think these are, I haven't been on this phone forever. Just have PS Touch. That's cleaner, it's an old one too. This is the iOS 10 era, guys. This isn't even on the App Store anymore. VCVT. Screen Pro, everything. My bank, TD Bank, Discover, AdSense, that's it. So, yeah, back up your stuff, which is what I suggest. If you don't, then you're gonna lose everything, you can't get it back. Jailbreak wise, you can't really back it up unless you have like a certain tweak that could back it up. But, yeah, so we're actually going to settings, scroll down to general, scroll down to reset all the way to the bottom. And then you want to go to erase all content and settings. Erase all settings, it just basically erases like, like your Wi-Fi. Like you just have to reconnect your Wi-Fi. Just reset your settings. But this actually erases all your data and everything. Or reset network settings does that too. So you actually go to erase all content and settings. Everything you do with settings is this resets all settings. But this actually the only way to get rid of all your data and start like a new iPhone. So if you tap on erase all content and settings, tap on that. Put your passcode in. And right here, this is the final button. This erase all media and data and erase all settings. So 6 years later, guys, erase. It says, do you another prompt just in case? Are you sure you want to continue? All media data and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. So tap on erase. And enter your app ID, password to erase this iPhone and remove it from the account. So we'll tap on erase. And there we go. So after this progress is done, it's going to come up just like this. Hello, and basically set up the new iPhone. So yeah, guys, it was like I think it was like 2 minutes later. Now you're back to the default screen, and oops, and here we go. So we have two. There we go. Peace.